So it's September 27th, 2017. Brown roof was just replaced a week ago and it still leaks. Just spent the last hour up on this roof trying to seal those vents down there, right there and there, and walking the entire roof. Just want to document here. That's the work that X-Cel Roofing did. There's shiners all over this roof, which are nails pounded through the roofing material and not sealed with any tar. Here's another one. Here's another one. And keep in mind, people, that this is a brand new roof. End cap right there. This tube of wet patch was literally $5.35. And apparently X-Cel Roofing, that's too much work. Here we go. Another one. And remember, this is where water is going to get in the roof. And this is done by a professional roofing company. And we'll walk through real quick. Here's another one. Oh, here's another one. I'll walk over this one more time. Just threw that aluminum can down. These guys left it in my gutter. And I just sealed those. Sealed that one. Not quite sure what's going on there, but you can see where it's heaving a little bit. Here's another one I just sealed, fresh tar. Here's a couple more that I just did. And I'm not the homeowner. I rent. Yet I'm up on the roof. There we go. There we go. Another one. Those were cracks in the shingles. There's two more shiners I just covered up, fresh tar. More tears in the shingles they replaced. I just did all of that. That's all fresh tar. Those are tears or shiners. And you can see along the house where they took an X-Acto knife and cut the shingles away and never sealed it. That's fresh tar. So definitely not good workmanship here.